24 hours ago or thereabouts, we restored the surface of these parking bays with Rizistal asphalt and tarmac surface restorer, and brilliant stuff it is too. About halfway through, we realised that the tarmac in some sections hadn't gone right up to the edges. Weeds had grown through, which we chopped out, and decided then to carry on and do the whole surface and repair the damaged sections later. You can see a close-up of those damaged sections now. So to do that, we are going to use this amazing stuff. This is the Rizistal Epoxy Repair Mortar for asphalt and tarmac, and indeed concrete. It comes in two parts because it's an epoxy. There's the hardener and the mortar itself. You're going to see me digging out the centre of the sand or the mortar, or indeed the resin, and you're going to see me tipping the hardener in. Then I'm going to mix it with a paddle. When it's fully mixed, you'll see me repairing all of the holes. These are actually quite small, they're quite fiddly. One of them is around a drain cover. This stuff can be used in holes 10 millimeters deep rather, up to 100 millimeters deep, and it doesn't matter about the size, you just buy more of the repair mortar. So while this is fairly small scale, you can use it on large tarmac repair jobs. You can feather the edges out, which I will show you later on, and you can use whatever tool you like to fill it up. Most people will use a plasterer's finishing trowel or a concreting trowel. For these small areas, I'm going to use a pointing trowel, and then I'm going to show you a little trick at the end of it, especially useful for tarmac, with a paintbrush to feather it out and get the surface a bit dimpled as well. So we're going to get on with that. From time to time, you'll see me cleaning my tools down with the Rizistal Safer Solvent. That's a brilliant cleaning solvent for all manner of tools and areas and spillage and stuff like that. You'll see me using that to wipe my trowel down to stop the surface dragging. So all of these Rizistal products go together to give you a fantastic surface. So we'll get on with that, and periodically we'll let you know what's happening. That shows that it's going to be beautifully mixed. There we have it, completely mixed up. We've now got 20 to 40 minutes to work with this, so don't mix any more than you actually need in one go. It will accept light traffic after 3 or 4 hours, heavy traffic after 8 to 12 hours, but please try and keep it dry and clean for as long as possible, up to 18 hours for it to be fully effective. We're going to get on and fill these gaps now. If you're doing big areas, then it's a great idea to use the Rizistal primer tack coat for this. For small areas like this, we don't need the primer, we can just use the epoxy mortar. So we'll get on with that, and you can watch us as we go. There we have it. Another great repair job from Rizistal. They really do make some fantastic repair products. We've got probably, I don't know, a flower pot full of mortar left in here. It's been 40 minutes or thereabouts. This is still workable. I wouldn't want to work it for much longer, so don't, as I said before, don't mix up more than you need. Always please wear the correct safety equipment. Read the instructions on the can with regard to safety. Wear some gloves, masks, goggles, etc, etc, etc. We're used to this, we're doing it all the time. That's not an excuse, but if I wore all the correct safety stuff, you wouldn't even be able to see or hear me. So please read the instructions, wear the proper safety equipment. It's now time for us to put us, or it will be in 12-14 hours time, we're going to put a second coat of Tarmac Restorer on this parking bay, and the job will be done and dusted. It looks like new. It's going to look even better tomorrow. Very, very pleased with these Rizistal products.